Hey there, Dave Gardner here with the Now Lifestyle, and the question is, how do you make money with the Now Lifestyle? Right? This is just one way. We have a store of nutritional supplements. We got athletic clothing. It's constantly growing, and so all you gotta do is check the links out below to get access to that. You have to be at least a free member, so go to freefitworkout.com to start your free account, and you can start to grow and see what's going on in there. You can get some of the activities, you can check out some of the workouts, and you can actually access these products. So for example, at the time of this filming, February 2018, we have natural whey protein, we have the Elevate Energy Booster, and we have the Psyllium husk caps for intestinal health. And so all of these things right here are physical products. Now, because there's a physical product, there's money that's involved in the actual production, the shipping, getting it to you, the containers, so on and so forth. So the commission payout on this is about 20 to 25%. And so every time you sell something, you sell one of these, you earn 20 to 25% of that product. If you bring someone in who sells stuff, you can get a second tier commission on that. You can actually get a pass up of a smaller amount, about 5%. So the bigger your team, the more opportunity you have for team volume. So one way is for physical products. We have the actual nutritional supplements. We have a clothing line. There's tank tops, there's gonna be t-shirts, polo shirts. For the women, there's leggings, and maybe there's gonna come out with shorts, there's sweatshirts, hats, so on and so forth. And so there's gonna be a physical aspect to the Now Lifestyle. There's fitness equipment. Right now there's gonna be a resistance band gym, and there may be a couple different levels. Kind of like you go to the gym, you can buy a cheap gym and weight bench with some low weights, or you can buy the high-end model of a weight bench. So there's gonna be a couple different possible options there to look at as we continue to grow. I'm on the leadership group in the company, and we're always making recommendations to Joel Tarian, the CEO, on things that we can physically add into the Now Lifestyle. Now, the physical products and physical aspects are one way that you can earn commissions at about 20 to 25%. If you want to earn bigger commissions, of course you need to be a reseller, just like if you were going to do these, but you can have the digital products. Now, because there's no overhead really with the digital products, the commission level goes up, and that's the cool thing. And so if you want to build a team, you need to be able to communicate with the team. If you want to have customers, you need to be able to communicate with your customers. And so email marketing and autoresponding tools and a way to capture capture people's information is all available in the marketing tools. And so we have that ability. We're coming out with other software that you can communicate with people online, kind of like a Skype. We have a capture page builder so you can create your own capture pages. These are all things that are in the pipeline in products. There's training on how to create your own home business marketing system and how to actually have your own home shows. So you can earn commissions on all these digital products that are at 50%. You can also earn on team volume. When you build your team, you can actually earn cycle bonuses based on how many people you have in your binary matrix. And so you do have to earn certain products. If you don't earn the product, you can't earn the commission, and that commission would be passed up to your upline or to your sponsor. So it's good incentive, not only because you get the education and you can learn the content, but also you increase your commission intake. All right? Remember, if you're not actually in the system, if there's no money coming in, then that's hard to pass up commissions up to the upline. So think about that. If you bring in people and if they didn't buy a product, then there's not going to be any money coming to you either. So recommend that. It's not forced to buy certain products, but it's highly recommended. Again, we have real physical products. It's a real business. Don't think for one moment that, oh, it's a scam because you got to buy the product. No, you got to buy the product so you know about the system. Be a product of the product. I've been using these every day since I started getting them, since they became available in October 2017. I lost about 10 pounds of body fat, but then I gained about 10 to 15 pounds back of muscle. Okay, my strength has increased. I've gone from bench pressing or chest pressing on the sit down machine from 160 pounds to now 210 or 220. So again, I've seen the results myself. I've seen my team grow. So again, you can earn commissions with both physical products and digital products, and it's a really great aspect because a lot of companies only sell digital products. A lot of other companies only sell physical products. What Now Lifestyle has done is actually married those together and combined them. And they also give you the tools with the Autoresponder that you can actually promote other companies. And they're okay with that. A lot of other companies, if you promote one company, they don't want you to promote anything else. They want to basically sign you to a contract, and they want you to eliminate everything from your life and not be able to get involved in other things. Where Now Lifestyle is the marketer's marketing group. Okay, they know how this is. They're backed by a company that's been around for about 20 years, GVO, and Pure Leverage family of tools. And so they know they are perfect for marketers. So if you are involved, maybe you just want the marketing tools, and maybe you just want to use the supplements for yourself and you don't want to sell the supplements, but you could start building a team just with the marketing tools. Maybe down the road someone buys the supplements and maybe you get a pass up. So you never know. It benefits you to have the products, to try the products. Number one, you're going to shrink your gut a little bit, and maybe you're going to fatten your wallet a little bit. So again, there's lots of ways and lots of opportunities. More to come with the Now Lifestyle and how you can earn commissions. Again, this has been Dave Gardner. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them below. If you want to get started for free, go to freefitworkout.com, and we'll talk to you soon. Again, that's freefitworkout.com.